Welcome back to another video, you guys. Today we have taken a little drive. We got up early this morning. We drove about an hour and a half. And where are we, Apple?
We are at Thai-Lao border market at Thad Phnom City in Nakhon Phanom province.
So we've been here once before, but it's been a lot of years, and it is right along the Mekong River with Laos across the way there. And it's a really interesting thing. They allow the Lao people to come across with very little hassle. They're allowed to bring their food, their goods, whatever it might be, and they set up here for the day. And then at the end of the day, they all have to get on the boats and go back. And it's pretty interesting. They bring a lot of interesting things. They don't have to go through any kind of like immigration process, right? They do get checked.
They do get checked, but...
And this is immigration right here, this building.
Yes, they bring all kinds of stuff, bugs, snakes, some just bamboo shoots, snails, crabs, whatever they can find.
So it's always interesting for me because I go through this place and I look at stuff and I go, oh, interesting, CITES Appendix 2, no paperwork. CITES Appendix 1, no paperwork. It's not okay for me to have, it's not okay for me to bring across any sort of border, but somehow it's okay for these people because they're eating it, of course, and what we do is different than that. But anyway, we're gonna take you guys along. We're gonna go take a look, see what we can find. Should be interesting, something a little different.
Yes, it will be interesting day today.
All right, so we just got here, you guys. Let's go check it out. Okay, you guys, at some point in the market, it gets impossible to film because we're actually buying stuff. Apple's buying stuff along the way. So we have a really weird mix, but I figure it's always entertaining, probably to you guys, to see what we bought. So Apple got this giant carp. People were actually trying to buy it from us on the way out after we already bought it, but it's quite big. 4.5 kilos. I've been carrying it for a long time, so it feels a lot heavier than that. Apple got a giant clown knife. I think it's just one. It's a very big one. So we got some ice in there. We got some natural honey. We hope that they didn't add anything funky to it, but it looks pretty natural, so hopefully we did okay with that. Apple got a couple of rats for her dad. He likes to eat these. This is some kind of vegetable, or I don't know. Apple was trying to describe it to me. I don't know what it is. It looks like little, like algae or something, but she says her mom likes to eat this, so I don't know what that is. And then we got mangoes. So that is it, a weird myriad of stuff. Now it's time for breakfast. We're not going to eat any of this stuff. We're going to go find somewhere to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed the market. It is not as wild as it was before. It's more restricted, it seems. Apple asked them about some things kind of on the down low, and they said, oh, no, don't say that so loud. We're not allowed to do those anymore. So they used to have some pretty wild stuff, but it has changed. And anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really nice to be along the Mekong as well. So that is it. All right, you guys, so we're still in the area. We are still alongside the Mekong here. And we met up with one of Apple's friends, and she recommended us to go out here to this beach. And I guess we're going over here to have lunch. So we've never done this before. It's kind of interesting. They're going to be taking us on these boats down here, and we parked our car over here. It doesn't seem very busy at all, but it is lunchtime, and we're going to check this out and show you guys what it's all about. Kind of an interesting experience. Foot massage.
What?
Foot massage.
Foot massage.
Foot massage, so relaxing.
And it's got some fish nipping in it too. It's nice and cool actually. The stone feel nice. I'm going for a swim. This is the American standard, so you don't have to be worried about that.
American standard อีหลีบ่
Yes.
เพื่อสิโต๊ะบนนี้รับน้ำหนักได้แสดง
This is how you get in, guys. Watch me.
No.
รีไวซ์
Yes, it is.
No.
Okay. Here, show me.
No, just go like this.
Oh.
Okay, but what do we got here?
Okay. This
I see your
is-
favorite.
Oh my goodness. These are chicken wings and chicken feet.
Chicken wings and chicken feet mixed
Tempura.
together.
Yes, tempura style.
Uh-huh.
This is wonton deep fry.
Yes.
Those are deep fried shrimp balls,
Fish balls,
fish
sausage.
balls, sausages. These
Egg
are
roll.
egg rolls, spring rolls. These over here are silkworm pupa.
And I see some crickets in the back.
Crickets over there. Those are big black crickets right here. And yes, watermelon, mango, more sausages. I like big sausages. So those are like a mini one.
You like big sausage and you cannot lie.
That's right.
Isn't that a song?
Yes, that is a song.
And
Also, wonton
yeah.
deep fry.
อะไรดีไป
And you gonna get any or not?
That's it. What would you like to try? This one got some tempura. What are those?
I don't know.
Chicken strips.
I don't know. I'm looking at that, but I don't know if it's old or not.
You looking at that?
Safety or not?
Oh, I don't know.
I think maybe pass. I don't know.
What do you think? But we have to buy some to be nice. You don't have to eat it. My friend can eat it.
That's weird, but okay.
Avoid.
Okay.
What
Well,
would you like to try? เอาอะไรเพื่อนซื้อบอก
นี่ไงแก้วขมิ้น
เจ้าผ่ามือนี้เหรอวะ
ค่ะปาดแล้วก็ลงมา
บอก
ปาดแล้วก็ลง
I'm gonna do it. Let me show you guys.
you have to pay first.
I am going to pay for it. Don't worry. This look like my fingers.
ของแท้นี่
Yeah. This is my friend says this is the real thing that is come with nails.
Oh, nice.
Yes. I have something for you, Mama.
Okay. Oh. Thank you. Okay, you guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us. We're stuffed. Food was really good, and we're on the boat back to the shore, and we are headed home. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Bye.